Pipe quenching defines not only strength, but the reliability of the entire structure. Yuantuo's induction quenching system is designed for steel pipe heat treatment, used in automotive, machinery, and steel production. Induction heating delivers fast, uniform results. Infrared sensors and PLC automation monitor temperature in real time for stable quenching. The power supply offers high efficiency and low harmonics, while modular furnace design fits multiple pipe diameters. After heating, the steel pipe undergoes spray cooling, which forms a hardened layer, enhancing the pipe's hardness and wear resistance. At the client's factory, Yuantuo systems operate continuously with precise temperature control and uniform hardness. Yuantuo Induction, reliable quenching solutions for global steel manufacturing.